Now, most classes in a room with a podium computer are going to involve some kind of a PowerPoint presentation. So let's take a look at an example one. I'm just going to click this button right here to put us into presentation mode. And here we are in the slides of Microsoft Office course that I did this summer. Now, you've probably noticed this little box down here if you've used PowerPoint on a computer that has the Smartboard software installed. This box I use to navigate through the presentation. It also gives me a pointer that I can drag and drop to illustrate a point. And there's some other interesting things that you can do with this that I'll show you in just a second. But one important thing you should realize is that you can draw right on your PowerPoint presentation. And of course, you can erase what you've drawn as well. But as you navigate, the pens are available to you to circle one thing, draw an arrow to another thing, or just to sketch on the board if that's what you'd rather do. Now, you can add a new blank slide right from presentation mode without having to exit and then go back in. And once you've got this, you can draw whatever you want. If you need a timeout to sketch some notes on the board, then that's one thing you can do. You can just drop a new slide in and you can start writing. Now, when you're finished with the slideshow, just click the End Show button here. And you notice it pops up with a prompt that asks, do you want to keep your ink annotations? Now what's interesting about this is once you've actually marked up your PowerPoint, you can actually save that and you can post that to Fanshawe Online for people to look at later. If I say keep, notice over here on the side that the smiley face that I drew is still there, and so is the arrow and the circle from the previous slide. Now, if you don't want this to overwrite your existing PowerPoint presentation, just make sure you hit Save As, and you save it under a new name. And that's a powerful feature of using Smartboard in conjunction with your PowerPoint presentations. Not only can you mark it up, you can save it for students to review later.